Are you planning to apply online teaching? Or are you planning to become an online streamer? Or attending a meeting online? Or maybe attending an online class because of COVID-19? And you need a webcam. Don't buy a webcam! Welcome back to Venus for a new tutorial. This will be about making your Android phones or your iOS phones as webcam. Before we proceed with this content, watch this.
So dara, Stupidens, class dismissed. YouTube t-shirt by Sir Eric. So kung gusto mo nga matanaw sa iyang mga video, so subscribe sa iyang channel nga Sir Eric to sa YouTube. So dara, nakuha na nako ang t-shirt nga sud sa mystery box. So thank you Sir Eric. Till next time. Bye.
Congratulations Ken Harden, Kenneth Maranga from Antiquera, and I will be giving away a new mystery box. If you like, subscribe, get notified, and comment down below with the hashtag I am stupident. Okay, Nara? I am stupident. And once you comment ka with the hashtag, using the hashtag I am stupident, you will have a chance to win another mystery box. So wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Let's start! First step is to download an WEBCAM on your PC. Just open your browser and type WEBCAM. Ayaw mo kabalaka because I will put the link on the description below. Once when you're on the website, you look for the download Windows client software. And then, you select download for Windows. Pag na-download na nimo, you double click it, you select English. But if you can understand another language, you install that one and then you click OK. After that is to select the destination folder for your installation. Ayaw mo kabalakaan ni tungod kay by default na-install naman lahat sa Drive C. And then click next. Next ka lang at huwag mong kalimutang maglagay ng desktop shortcut para di ka mahirapan sa paghahanap ng WEBCAM icon. And then you run the installation. Bale, ito po yung lalabas sa desktop mo. Pasabot ani, naghuhat imong PC sa WEBCAM sa imong cellphone. The next thing to do is to install WEBCAM on your cellphone. You go to your Play Store or Google Play or App Store. You look for WEBCAM and then you install. Wait until the installation is done. Then, you open the application and allow connection. Be sure po na the same connection lang nakakonect yung PC at cellphone mo. What I mean is that dapat nasa parehong Wi-Fi connection or internet connection or internet network. So pag PLDT yung internet mo, dapat nakakonect doon yung cellphone mo sa PLDT. So yun ang ibig kong sabihin. Tapos pag nagka-connect na sila, ready na po yung webcam mo gamit yung cellphone, iOS or Android. So pakita ko sa inyo kung paano gawin. Open mo lang yung WEBCAM sa cellphone mo, tapos yung WEBCAM ng yung laptop or PC. So, yun. Oops. Okay. So, ganun lang. May webcam ka na libre. Hindi mo na kailangan pang umalis. Hindi mo na kailangan pang lumabas ng bahay. May webcam ka na. Okay? So, that's a very wise choice that you will be doing. Okay? If you like this tutorial, please like, and if you have another idea or any idea for a webcam, please comment that down below. Don't forget to subscribe and get notified for more video. Class dismissed.